It feels so good on the lips. I've never had lipstick feel so creamy. It's your girl Sonic Kibz. I'm here with a beauty review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Mented Cosmetics. We are going to be reviewing their lippies. So yes, I'm super excited about reviewing this line because they are a black owned company. It's two women, and I went to their event in Harlem, New York, and I absolutely loved the ambiance, the vibe, the reason for even starting this line. And I'm super excited at the fact that they sent me all of these lippies to try. So we are going to get started. So without further ado, yeah, I'm gonna start with brand Nude. So I'm loving brand Nude because it actually looks nude, but it's a good nude for brown women. So yes, brown. Next we have Mented 5. Boom. So trying on Mented 5. Love Mented 5. It's like a very nice deep brown. Ooh. So next we have Pretty in Pink. Ooh. Now that's a really pretty pink. Ooh. Usually when I wear lipsticks that are on the lighter side, I like to use a lip liner just to kind of bring it down a bit. Makeup white. So the next one we have is, ooh, Nude La La. Nude La La. Okay, so Nude La La. Let's see how you look. I love the fact that this collection, the nudes look amazing. I can already tell it's gonna be amazing on all deep brown skin tones. So here we go. Oh, and by the way, all of these lippies are creamy. They feel so good. So next we have Dope Taupe. Cool name. All their lipsticks feel like butter. Butter. Buttered. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, next we have Foxy Brown. Mrs. Foxy Brown. And let's see how she looks. Ooh, that's a nice chocolate. Yes. Let me find out. I'm about to be rocking Mented all winter long. Do I look like a Foxy Brown? Do I act like Foxy Brown? Do I? So next we have Dark Knight. Ooh. Their lipsticks just keep on getting chocolater and chocolate. Like, the chocolate, honey, the chocolate. Yes, yes, Mented. Ooh. Now this is cocoa latte. Yes, darling. Yes. Did you ask for chocolate? Did you call for chocolate? Did you ask for chocolate? Did you call for chocolate? Did you? Sorry, I'm getting beside myself. last but not least, we have Peach Please. And here we have it. I absolutely love all the Mented lipsticks. They are so creamy. They have a complete range of different nudes. So no matter what complexion you are, you can find a nude for you. And that's absolutely amazing. I recommend Mented Cosmetics because whenever I put on lipstick, my lips start to get crispy. I feel like my lips are peeling. But I've literally tried about 2, 4, 6, 8 lipsticks, and not one time have I felt irritation between changing lipsticks for you guys on camera. I thank you, Mented Cosmetics, for sending me all of these beautiful lippies. And if you are a brown skin or a dark skin or a light skin or whatever you are person and you're looking for a really, really rich, creamy lipstick, you should definitely try Mented Cosmetics. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.